Allah Subhan Taala says, I want you to know that I have answered your prayers. So both of you need to remain steadfast until you see the prayers coming through in front of you. The prayer is answered, but it took some time before it was seen. Allah says, I hear you all the time. If I say, oh Allah, please help me, Allah heard it. He heard it, He knows it, He responded. But He may not give me exactly what I want right now. But already it is in the works, it is in the person, it's going to come sooner or later. In some scenario, I might see it in the hereafter. Allah Subhanahu Taala says, your prayer is answered. Your prayer is answered. But I want you to be steadfast. So this goes back to what I want to say. Victory will come to us for as long as we remain steadfast. We don't follow the path of those don't know Allah, those don't recognize the Allah. Follow the true path, and Allah Subhanahu Taala grant us victory.